My name is Clay Newcomb, and I'm going to tell you about my First Lite kit when I'm hunting in the Mid-South for whitetails when the temperatures are between 30 and 60 degrees. I'm always, no matter what, no matter if it's super hot or super cold, I'm always going to have merino wool on skin. What I'm going to start with is going to be the First Lite Henley on top on skin. What a lot of people in the South don't understand is merino wool is softer than cotton, wicks moisture way better than cotton, and is actually what you want to be wearing when it's hot. And for tree stand hunting, you absolutely want to be wearing merino wool on skin. So I'm going to start off with that Henley, which is just a long sleeve, nice shirt. Secondly, I'm going to have the Fuse Long John on bottom to complete the full top and bottom merino wool on skin. So I'm going to have that. I wear these all over the place in all kind of different temperatures. Now to go to the second layer on top, man, I love this Klamath Grid Fleece. I wear these things all over the place, and it's not a merino wool product, but it's kind of an athletic fit pullover with a big deep zipper, and this is really made for warmth. And over that merino wool, it makes a couple of really great layers. Where I'm going to really get my warmth if I'm hunting in a tree stand and it's below 40 degrees is I'm going to wear this Newcomb puffy vest. Now this vest you're not going to want to wear on the outside. It's ultralight material, so you're not going to wear it on the outside, but you're really going to get a lot of insulation from this. I love a vest for bow hunting for range of movement. Lastly, what I'm going to wear on the outside is going to be this First Lite Catalyst jacket. And that's exactly what this jacket is made for. It's a lightweight jacket, and this material is ultra quiet, and that's what we bow hunters want, is we want something quiet. You couldn't make material any more quiet than that. This jacket has that shooter's cut, so even with all that layering, you don't feel constrained. So I'm going to go to the Catalyst jacket on top. Now on bottom, I could use the Catalyst Pant, which I do often, but for this kit, what I'm going to say is that I'm just going to wear just a standard First Lite pant. This is the First Lite Corrugate Guide Pant. It's quiet. It's just a lightweight pant that's going to go over the merino wool bottoms. And if it's below 40, I might even wear 2 pairs of the merino wool bottoms and then just a standard First Lite pant, which you could wear the Canabs or you could wear the Catalyst pants, which that's a good combo and probably the best combo. But this is my choice most of the time. Lastly, what I'm going to wear on my head, this tag cuff merino wool beanie, super underrated. Man, you want merino wool on your head. This thing is very comfortable. I wear these things all over North America, but I wear them right here at home when I'm tree stand hunting and want to stay warm. You can afford to layer quite a bit on top of your head. You're not losing any range of motion or anything. I'll wear this tag cuff beanie, but I'll go back to the old time favorite is this merino wool brimmed beanie right over the top of that. And I like to go overkill on my head. You got this small brim for bow hunting, string doesn't get in the way, but you can also duck your head, the sun out of your eyes. That is a super combo right there. Very good. The truth is though, if it's actually 30 degrees in the morning when I go bow hunting, I'm going to be wearing my Sanctuary Bibs. These are really made for ultra cold weather. What I would do if it was 30 degrees is I would carry these to the stand and put them on once I got up there. And I wouldn't wear the Sanctuary jacket unless it was below 30 degrees and going to stay there. But on bottom, you can get away with more layering and you're just comfortable if you're warm. So I'm going to wear that. Lastly, I'm going to have some First Lite merino wool socks. If you're not wearing merino wool socks, you need to get into the modern times. You can wear these socks time and time again, even if you're on like a backcountry hunt. You can wear the same socks for 10 days, and you may think I'm exaggerating, but I am not. Hey, this is my kit for hunting in the Mid-South for whitetail tree stand hunting when temperatures are between 30 and 60 degrees.